So I wanted to share something with you guys that I learned just a couple minutes ago. Pretty cool. When I was doing plugs, I was an idiot and didn't get the push-pull motion for these plugs, or these connectors. And I broke the clip on this one, and I broke the clip on another one. Hey Duff, can you chill out for a minute, please? So, I bought some depinning tools from Amazon, and I bought replacement connectors. It's a pretty easy process. This one will slide off just because there's nothing holding it on, it's already broken. You gotta pull that secondary lock out, like such. Let me just prop this up on something, maybe, hopefully. It's pretty windy, so let's see if I can even. Alright, so you see in there, here's this little secondary guy. That piece comes out, and then you get your lovely Amazon depinning tool. Make sure you pull the battery before you do this. And you pull the pins out one by one. I know it's probably not focusing on this right now because the lighting in the background is terrible, but ooh, that's not good. This connector was like broken. Well, I'm glad I'm replacing it. That sucks. Yeah, this thing literally fell apart. It just broke. So maybe that's been my kind of rough idle problem. There's that. And then just in reverse order of how you remove them. If I can get this fucking thing in properly. Push them in until they snap. Of course, the one I filmed was much easier than this. Or the one I didn't film was much easier than this. It's early this morning. And then you put your new lock in place. Snap it all the way in, and then boom, you got a fresh connector. So I did 2 of these. I'll do the other 2 eventually, but they weren't broken yet, so didn't really see a reason. But as you can see now, they're not going anywhere. This one just slid off, but also there's this push and then pull is how these connectors work. They're push-pull connectors for some reason. So if you just have it clicked on there and you try and lift this and pull back, you're probably gonna break the clip. You gotta push in and then pull. I'm not gonna do it one-handed, so it shouldn't be that hard.